So how do you cancel a subscription on the iPhone and perhaps request a refund? Let's talk about it. So if you're new onto this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you can at first go to your iPhone settings, tap on your profile, and at the top, and you can locate your subscriptions. In there, you can manage your existing ones, you can cancel, of course, and this all gets managed right here. So if you need just the canceling, you can find it directly within these settings. However, if you would like to request a refund, well, there is a way to do it, but through a web browser where you will go to reportaproblem.apple.com. That's the exact URL, right? So you just click on that and you'll get inside a Apple's page where you'll be able to sign in with your Apple account. So you can literally just scan your face if you're using Safari, right? And it will work out well, right? So you're going to get inside and you will then just proceed with the steps that show up. Now, obviously you need to be justified when you do this. So yeah, there is a way to just find it, but you'll need to just select the issue or what exactly happened to you. So from the options which appear in this drop down menu of what you would like to do, you can click on request a refund or report a quality issue or do some other things which you perhaps noticed, right? And you can do that, right? Then you'll need to tell them more or what happened, right? And then search up from the subscriptions which you have bought, and you'll be able to request the refund that way. So let me know if it worked for you. There isn't really much else that you can do other than wait for the response to see if it has been approved or not. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and straight to the point guides like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.